Good afternoon, everyone. We're flying at 26,000 feet, moving up to 30,000 feet, and we got clear skies all the way to Las Vegas. And right now we're bringing you some in-flight entertainment. One of our first-class passengers would like to sing you a song inspired by one of our coach passengers. And since we let our first-class passengers do pretty much whatever they want, here he is.
So as it does, my name is Lazarus. I am a pirate on a devil's ship. Teenage Nosferatu pussy. Turn it out, turn it out. Teenage Nosferatu pussy. Turn it out, turn it out.
Hey Gabe, where are we right now?
We're at the finish line of the drag strip.
Yeah?
Long successful relationship. He qualified in the number 9 spot. 2 foul behind Jeff Lorenz, driving the big Jim Dunn. That's the car that normally flies the Brian Bob's colors. Stop by and pick up a free sample. Here, Don, towards Hawaii.
Oh.
Length the front end, moved over and couldn't get it to come.
Again.
Good shot. I'll give him that.
I'm not scared. You're really fast, dude. Thank you. You're welcome. You're too. High five, man.
You must